Hello friend, welcome back to NH Drawing. So today we will draw a cute nail paint and lipstick. So let's start the drawing. First of all, you draw a nail paint. Draw a cute flower. Again, draw a flower. I am draw a nail paint, eyes and cute face. Sorry for the fly. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Now we are draw a lipstick. Draw the lips. Draw the outline very fast. Pink color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Purple color.